This is unique. This is state-of-the-art. This is a perfect example of our finding better ways to give our patients better care.
It's a huge advance.
This new healthcare pavilion will be
One of the top places in the world for highly complicated care.
From across the state of Michigan and
In
beyond.
2025, we will open the most highly advanced, technology-driven facility in Michigan. This needs to be about innovation.
we invent procedures.
We're often treating patients with multiple issues, patients who need very complex care.
This will be the place for providing complex care.
This is really what Michigan medicine is all about. This is progress.
This pavilion is absolutely necessary.
The legacy of Dan and Betty Kahn, they have many, many legacies, but it is so absolutely wonderful. The new healthcare pavilion will bear their name forever.
This is what he would want. This is what she would want.
They've given over and over and over again.
And I think in his later years, he really was taken with the fact that we could fix people and help people.
Dan was all about technology. He was really an engineer at heart.
And he loved fixing things.
I don't think there's any doubt that my in-laws like to be trailblazers. They like to think out of the box and help where they could with not the same old, but with the new.
Each of the 264 private rooms will be ICU capable, which means normal care can become intensive care right now, without moving patients to different parts of the hospital. Simply put, the rooms themselves can do more.
When individually I'm up in Ann Arbor and I look around and I see all the names on various buildings, it's a feeling of proudness that people care, respect, and want to support the university. We have an obligation to help. And that's why this gift from the Kahn Foundation to the University of Michigan is so satisfying to me and the other trustees and other members of the family.
Zichron levracha, that's a Hebrew word. You hear this in the news oftentimes. It means may their memories be for a blessing. There are going to be 264 beds in this new pavilion. We are caring for, at the very least, 92,000 patient care events in a year. May their memory be for a blessing. Their memory will be for a 92,070 patient per year blessing. That's a lot of blessings.